Hi everyone, it's Amy with Mama Bear Blue, and look what opened back up today after being closed for 2 months. I know there's some stuff just screaming for a second chance. Let's get in there and find it. This little metal file cabinet was one of my finds today. I thought it would be the perfect time to show how DIY paint adheres to metal and also how to apply a transfer. First I had to clean it up a bit. I used a Clorox wipe to wipe it down. There was a stubborn sticky spot on top, so I used some adhesive remover and a fine grit sanding sponge. I used the DIY paint color called Water Lily. For this project, I used one of my favorite brushes, the Paint Pixie No. 12 Round. DIY paint is an all-natural clay-based paint. It adheres very well to most surfaces with little to no prep, including metal. For the second coat of paint, I used plenty of water from my Water Girl mist bottle and a light hand with the brush. If you're too rough with the brush or you overwork an area, you will reactivate the first layer of paint and it could pull up. So plenty of water and a light hand with the brush goes a long way. While I was painting this file cabinet, a few feet away from me, this was going on. I had to stop and watch. I thought it was adorable and had to share it. No limit to what we can do. I used DIY's Big Top to seal it. What we have, let's hold on tight. Found what we're looking for in life. After applying the sealer, I let it dry for 24 hours. I decided to use the Iron Orchid Designs transfer called Wander. I thought it paired very well with the color of the paint. I chose a section of the transfer that I thought would fit well on the file cabinet. Remove the paper backing from the transfer and gently lay it onto the surface. Make sure you have it in the position that you want it. Here I'm using a razor blade to gently cut where the drawer openings are to make it easier to apply the transfer. To apply the transfer, take the plastic tool that comes with it and gently rub and peel back the backing at the same time, working slowly, starting on one side and working to the other. As you're slowly peeling up the plastic backing, if you see that some of the transfer didn't adhere, lay the backing back down and use the tool again. After you've applied your transfer, use a soft cloth or paper towel and gently rub the entire transfer. This process is called burnishing, and it makes sure the transfer is properly adhered to the surface. When I was finished with the transfer, I used Big Top again to seal over it. I also put one more coat of Big Top on the top surface of the file cabinet. I reattached the drawer pulls and the project was complete. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and comment below. And subscribe to my YouTube channel for more DIYs. Be sure to hit the notification bell so you're notified when I have new videos uploading. To purchase any of the products used in today's video, please visit my website, mamabearblue.com. Thanks for watching.